Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn lowercase ABCD or uppercase ABCD. Colors name: blue color, neon color, red color, orange color, light blue color, black color, pink color, brown color. Let's start. Blue color. A for apple. A for apple. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. So kids, now we write down lowercase ABCD. So kids, just now we write down uppercase ABCD. Now we write down lowercase ABCD. Red color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for bag. B for bag. C for cap. C for cap. D for donkey. D for donkey. E for egg. E for egg. F for frog. F for frog. Now we write down uppercase ABCD, means capital letter ABCD. F. G for girl. G for girl. H for hand. H for hand. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for king. K for king. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. So kids, now we write down lowercase ABCD. G for girl. G for girl. H for house. H for house. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. So kids, what we learn today? We learn uppercase ABCD and lowercase ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video with a new topic, ABCD 1 2 3. Till then, bye.